Hi, this is Pal Walker at Mission Winners.
In a matter of 2 minutes, you will have a much better understanding of where strength is and where weakness is, what to maybe look to buy, and areas to avoid. That's power. I mean, that's what you do, systematize. So here we go, let's take it from the top. It's a biotech ETF. Fell hard down to the 50-day, all right? Support maybe at the 50-day, but notice this, price and volume talk. Good volume on the way up, right here. Heavy selling volume, heavy selling volume, heavy selling volume, heavy selling volume, heavy selling volume. Sounds like I'm repeating myself, doesn't it? Yeah, I am. Surprise, surprise. Don't want to lose in the 50-day. Why did it do so well? Related to COVID-19. Now, am I saying, oh, COVID-19's over? No, I'm not saying that at all. We don't forecast the future. I'm just saying this was strong and now it's losing its strength. That's all. Let's move on. Cloud computing. Look at this. What does that tell you? Hey, I don't think I'm going to buy any cloud computing stocks. There you go. Telemedicine. Look at this. Dropping like a rock. What does that say? I don't think I'm going to get wrapped up in this group either. IBD 50. I mean, these are the stocks that IBD likes, okay? They're IBD 50. And it's a great list. I'm not knocking it. But, this baby's getting spanked. There you go. Stocks that focus on the max list. FV's the ticker symbol, by the way. For all of you, you always look up here and you get the ticker symbol, FV. And you get the name right next to it. But look at this. For those that don't know, this is the 50-day, this is the 21 EMA, and this is the 8 EMA. Losing them all. There's no leadership there in max list. Gold, there's nothing there. Gold miners, there's nothing there. Junior gold miners, there's nothing here. Gold, there's nothing here. By the way, when I do this, I'm not trying to be flippant. It's the obvious. Well, maybe this is it. Maybe this is it. I ain't playing on maybe. Okay, I want high probability. Biotechnology, another biotechnology ETF. Baby's approaching the 200-day. Forget it for now. Technology, look at this. I mean, this was a good bar, but it closed in the bottom half of its range. It's below the 50-day and then gets spanked again. Technology, Medical, just a little bit below the 50-day, not too bad. Home builders, this has been the top group. Dropping on volume, look at that. And I have to clarify, I'm not trying to just play this out, play a game. I'm trying to explain and show strength and weakness to help us know where to focus and what to avoid. Systematize. This one owns a lot of the max list stocks. IVW, look at that. They spanked it. IWM was doing good and then lost the 50-day. Notice this. Here's what we teach in Mission Winners. Down on heavy volume, up on less volume, down on heavier volume. They're not buying it. What's it need to do? This sucker needs to push through to 50-day on volume. Owns a lot of the max list stocks. That ain't so good. Look at that. Not so pretty. Next one. Midcap, MDY, gap down below the 50-day now. Needs to show some leadership. Nothing there. Oil services. I don't think I need to say anything. Online retail. This has been doing really well and got hit. And what do you think's part of that? Maybe Amazon's part of that deal, but they're hitting it now. Okay, it's losing leadership. So you can say, this was really a good bar. One of the things we teach at Mission Winners is analyzing the price and volume and the price action on the bar. Look at this bar. It opens, it runs up, it closes in the bottom fourth of its range. Folks, it wasn't being bought, they were selling into it. There you go. Software, Bennett's great group, lost the 50-day on a pickup in volume. NASDAQ 100, down on heavy, look at this, down on heavy volume, up on less volume, down on heavy volume, up on less volume, down on heavier volume. Connect the dots. Isn't that great? I love this. NASDAQ, QQQ, same thing as QLD. Cloud computing, another cloud computing ETF dropping. Need to clarify something. I'm not negative. I don't want you to think that. I'm just reporting what is. That's all. It's like, oh, it's raining outside. Doesn't mean anything's bad. It's raining. That's all. Or it's sunny. Silver, nothing there with silver. Steel, flopping around. Nothing great there. Semiconductors has been strong. This needs to start pushing back up again, losing some leadership. Spiders, look at this. This is a great lesson. Down on heavy volume. Down on lower volume. Down on heavy volume. Up on less volume than it fell on. Down on heavy volume. This needs to reverse. Will it eventually win? I don't know. I don't need to know. It'll tell me. That's the beautiful part of what we do at Mission Winners. You don't have to forecast. It'll tell you what to do. Let's move on. SSO, same as spiders, nothing there. Solar's still hanging in there. But there's some selling in here. A little bit of selling going on now, okay? But it's still a strong group, okay? TNA, small caps, nothing. Aerospace, they ain't flying. Biotechnology, another biotechnology ETF, falling a little bit below the 50-day, not so good. Home builders, this has been so strong, and look what they're doing to it. And check, price and volume. Look at price and volume. Down on heavy volume, up on less volume. You can say, not that bad, Pat. Something we teach in Mission to Winners. I want you to look at this bar. You can say, it's a green bar, it's a good bar. Dig deeper. Look at the open on this bar. You see it right there? I'm going to do something for you. See the open on that bar? The high, the low? It closed below where it opened. It was met with selling pressure. So just because it's green, you got to look at it. The inverse is also true. Just because it's red doesn't necessarily mean it's bad. And you train your eyes so dang quick, and you got an edge over other people, and I love that. Basic materials doing nothing, just flopping around below the 50-day. Communications, lost the 50-day, lost leadership. Energy, I don't need to say anything. Financials, hate to lose financials. Industrials, lost the 50-day on volume. Not good, folks, not good. Technology, lost the 50-day and still falling. Look at that volume there. Not good. Up on less volume, down on a pickup in volume. Technology's been a leading group. Consumer staples, look at this. That's not good. Utilities, still hanging in, but not a lot of leadership with utilities. Healthcare, look at this. Boy, I'll tell you what, I think we need to call the doctor. Okay, I'm sorry, I had to say it. It's the weekend, you got to have a little fun. Hey, Halloween, let's trick or treat, let's get some candy going. By the way, sugar is a form of roughage if you think about it. Okay, different story. Consumer discretionary, look at this. Down on heavy volume, nothing there, folks, the consumers. Metals and mining, hanging in there. Now this one's kind of hanging in there. That's a plus. Retailing has been strong, lost the 50-day, fairly heavy volume. Software, which has been strong, lost the 50-day, still falling. Back to the top. In 8 minutes, you have a better understanding of what's going on in the market than most other people. That's what we do at Mission Winners, rock and roll, and I thank you.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.